I also have seen like one time one of the big toolbox manufacturers
Mm,
had something happened where the steel they used on the side was a little too thin or something
mm,
or the wrong gauge. And so the percentage that ended up with a dent was like above the 10% range.
mhm.
And the big box retailer said nope. And they pulled
Wow.
every single toolbox off the shelf across the entire country. And the manufacturer couldn't take them all back.
Mm,
So they literally put them on truckloads and ran them through their secondary market, and they almost all went up for auction.
that's crazy.
Yeah, brand spanking new, just the wrong gauge, and they were a little more prone to dents. But
Wow.
so it's not only the return items that end up
Mm.
in this secondary market, and going up for auctions. It's returns, it's overstocks, it's season change, discontinued items, stuff like that.